Hi, welcome to Pilgrim Trip YouTube channel. Our journey today is to Kalampukavu Devi Temple. Kalampukavu Devi Temple is located at the confluence of Ernakulam and Kottayam districts of Kerala. Sri Bhadrakali, who is mythologically believed to have been born from the third eye of Lord Mahadeva, is the reigning supremo deity of Kalampukavu Temple. Legend has it that the sacred idol of Tirumandham Kunnilamma was installed in this holy land by a Brahmin family who migrated here from the northern part of Kerala. The deity here is peculiar and different from other Bhadrakali temples. It is neither an architectural piece of flowing stone or a mirror image but a rare and original Panchaloha idol of Ashtbahu Sri Bhadrakali. The deity is about 1.5 feet high. Kalampukavilamma is a Sri Bhadrakali idol with the legendary multiple arms and adorned with the Vethala necklace. In the early days there was only a divine idol resonating the presence of the goddess on the open forest floor. Later, the shrine was religiously erected and the idol was installed with proper puja vidhis. A miraculous event that occurred during the initial phase of the shrine construction is an intriguing one. During the initiation of construction, a local devotee suggested that the foundation of the shrine be made of 1 or 2 large rock stones. The Embrantri, the senior Purohit who understood the seriousness of the matter, made immediate arrangements for the same. The raft which was used to transport the 2 big boulders sank in the river on the way from Ganpatipara. There was wide unrest and frustration about recovering the boulders. That night the Embrantri had a revelational dream in which a divine voice confided to him that the boulders would be waiting for him at the river bank. At dawn the Embrantri ran to the banks of the river and found that the boulders had been loaded onto the sand and that it was sufficient to send men to transport it. Divine intervention was made to lay the foundations of this sacred monument. Several surreal and supernatural divine experiences have taken place in this holy premises over the years. The Pana festival here is famous. The Pana festival is held in the month of Kumbha. Thousands of people from all over the country come to Bhadrakali for the decades-long Pana festival. It is held with much pomp and splendor which upholds the devotion and sentiments of the lakhs of devotees. There are many personal experiences that proclaim the power of Kalampukavilamma's blessings. Wishes and desires are realized by praying to the mother. To have healthy children it is important to offer Panakanji. According to the locals, with the blessings of the goddess, there are many people who have made great strides in professional, academic and personal arenas. The Holy Mother deity is worshipped first at 4 in the morning. The temple will be open for devotees at 5 am. The Nirmalyam Puja is followed by Usha Puja. The Ucha Puja is scheduled at 10 o'clock. The temple opens in the evening at 5 pm. The Deeparadhana is at 6:30 in the evening. The temple closes at 7 pm after the Athaza Puja. The main offering at the temple is Arunarji Payasam. Other important offerings are Kadum Payasam, lamp, garland and Guruti garland. Panakanji is the important offering on Pana day. Presently the booking for Panakanji offering has been made up until 2030. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in next video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.